Hey everyone! If you've just installed Tachiyomi or Mihong and noticed the extensions list is completely empty, don't panic. The app doesn't come with sources anymore for legal reasons, but adding them back only takes a few minutes. Today, I'm showing you the repo method to get all your favorite manga sources back. Let's get into it. Step 1. Copy a repository link. First, you need a repository URL. Since the official one is gone, the community uses trusted third-party repos like Tachiyomi. First, open your browser and search for Tachiyomi Extensions. Look for the link that ends in .json. Usually it's like this. Then you can copy that entire URL to your clipboard. This link is the address where your app will find all the manga resources. Step 2. Add the repo to the app. Now, open Tachiyomi or Mihong and head to the settings. First, go to More, Settings, and Browse. Look for Extensions Repos and tap Add. You can paste the URL you just copied into the box and hit OK. You've now successfully told the app where to look for extensions. Step 3. Install your extensions. Now, go back to the main screen and tap the Browse tab at the bottom. Then select Extensions at the top. You should see a massive list of sources now. You can find the ones you want, like Manga Dex or Manga Live, and hit Install. And one more important thing. Since these are third-party, your phone might ask for permission to install from unknown sources. Just toggle that on in your settings to continue. Step 4. Trust the extension. One final critical step. Once an extension is installed, it will say untrusted. You must type in the extension name in that list and click Trust. If you don't do this, the source won't show up in your Sources tab. But once trusted, you're officially ready to start reading. And that's pretty much it. Just remember to update your repos once in a while to keep the links active. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.